positive for COVID-19.
Not stunned at all. I think this is kind of, we need to get used to this news, NBA, Major League Baseball related, certainly over the next couple of days and couple of weeks. I was interested, and Brogdon, made this clear in the statement that he still is going to play in Orlando. Because when he met the media, earlier this month, amidst all the social injustice things that were going on,
very well be okay if he doesn't end up in the hospital after this.
He broke it down, I thought, very candidly about there are guys on both sides of the fence that if they want to play in Orlando or not. And this is more social injustice. He was leaning towards playing. He believed that he needed to be on that, have that platform, make that amount of money, those sorts of things.
Yes, I would like to eat. Training camp, I want to say it's July 28th. Well, it literally goes July 28th, you report, and then July 29th, you practice. Like, there is no buffer time at all. So I think if you're the NFL, can you try and move up that July 28th, back to their cities across the U.S., can you bump that up a week, and then it gives you a little bit of a buffer time of, okay, all of a sudden a 90-man roster comes back to your city, and 5 guys test positive, and now they're out for X amount of days of practice. Can you do that? I do think that's something the NFL should look on in terms of.
Yeah, so we'll get to that coming up in a minute too. Kevin Bowens on the Andy Moore Automotive Group Hotline 107.5
So
fan.
anybody
He's going
to be quarantined, you can quarantine.
podcast up there, correct?
Yeah. We recorded a podcast yesterday called Kevin's Corner for anyone that hasn't subscribed to it. So yeah, check that out.
What's going to be the feel if Victor Oladipo, who we've seen, already return from that injury and play, decides to opt out of this event in late July down in Orlando?
It'll lose some buzz, obviously locally. And I think when you look at Victor, would I understand him doing it? Sure. Selfishly, I'd obviously like to see him play. And I think if you're Kevin Pritchard and this management, you would love to see him play. Not only to evaluate Victor individually with the contract coming up after next season, but I think you also want to see what the starting 5 looks like. It's a group that really hasn't played a whole lot of minutes together. Right before this all, chaos ensued in mid-March, the starting group of Brogdon, Oladipo, Warren, Sabonis, Turner, they started a handful of games. But when you compare them to other lineups the Pacers used this season, that's a very, very small number. So I think that you're missing, if nothing else. Let's say the Pacers go down there, whatever, they go 4-4 in these final 8 games, they lose in the first round of the playoffs. If nothing else, you're still getting, 12, 15 games, whatever number you want to throw out there, of evaluating what this starting lineup that you think can be something moving forward, what it looks like, because we really haven't seen it for an extended period of time. So I think that's where you're really missing out of it's a team evaluation of, okay, if you watch these 5 guys play together for whatever, 15 or 20 games down in Orlando and blank hits the fan, then you might make small season tweaks. If it looks really, really good, you might say, all right, let's just run it back as is. And then individually for Victor, it's that dangling carrot of that contract. And I know the Pacers are probably backed into a corner to give him a nice deal because that's the market. And the ability to attract, any sort of all-star-ish type player, it isn't very great for you. But, the Victor Oladipo that I've seen post-injury, and this dates back, honestly, post maybe 2017 season, 2018 season when he was All-NBA. I don't know if he's a max player, but again, in this market, you're probably gonna have to give him that contract and just live with
He
it.
was.
Do we know for sure if he really does want to return? I mean, are you skeptical at all about his intention of wanting to return here?